In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Confluence pages. If your workspace feels cluttered or it's hard to find what you need, this walkthrough will help you create a clear, reliable structure that scales as your content grows. We'll start by building a tree structure. Think of a main parent page as a folder that contains all the related child pages beneath it. For example, you might have a parent page for a project, and then child pages for the plan, timeline, and meeting notes. Creating child pages under the right parent keeps information grouped by topic and makes navigation intuitive. As you add pages, use clear, short titles so the page tree stays readable at a glance. Next, use drag and drop reordering in the left-hand sidebar. Click and hold a page, then drag it to adjust its order or change its parent. When you drop a page under a new parent, you effectively re-nest it in the structure. This is a quick way to fix misfiled content or to group new work as it develops. Take a moment to scan the tree after you reorder, so siblings are in a logical sequence, like general information at the top and specifics under it. For even cleaner organization, create nested folders directly in the page tree to structure content. These act like dedicated containers for related pages, helping you separate areas such as design, planning, or resources. Keep folder names consistent and action-oriented so anyone can tell what belongs inside. To boost discoverability, add labels to pages and attachments. Labels like project plan or release notes help you surface related content and search and group similar topics together. Apply labels consistently across pages and files so filters return complete results. A small set of agreed-upon labels goes a long way. Maintain your space with regular cleanups. Use move or copy to reorganize content across spaces or to re-nest pages under more appropriate parents. This is helpful when a draft becomes a finalized document that belongs in a different section. Periodically delete or archive pages that are outdated or irrelevant to keep things clutter-free. Archiving preserves history while removing noise from everyday navigation. Finally, customize the space sidebar by adding shortcuts to your most important pages. Shortcuts give your team instant access to frequently used resources without scrolling through the entire tree. Follow these habits and your Confluence space will stay tidy, searchable, and easy for everyone to navigate. Thanks for watching.